I want to preface this by saying I've never said I'm good at makeup, but I try my best. I'm going to a wedding today, so let's get ready. This lighting is making me look so good on camera. I just washed my face and took off my makeup from last night that I didn't take off last night. So let's put some moisturizer on. Do y'all put lotion on your eyelids? That is my question of the day, because I do. And I don't know if that's weird or not. Now I need to figure out what to do with my hair, because I don't really want to like refresh my curls because it's really humid outside and so they're just gonna frizz. So probably do some sort of half up, half down. Okay, I'm losing my mind trying to braid my hair right now for some reason. Usually I can braid my hair without even looking at a mirror. But right now I can't do it. Gonna take a minute and then braid my hair. I'm just gonna do it off camera. Okay, I finished my hair. It's just a really simple 2 French braids connecting. My brother's cat. He's wanting attention. Can you see him? Here he is. This is Reginald, or Reggie. Okay, this is what we're going with for my hair. I'm gonna refresh the curls, but hopefully it looks okay. I can't see the back. I'm gonna go get my hair wet to refresh the curls, and I'll be back. Now I just have to let my hair dry and we'll see what it looks like. It's time to do my makeup. I don't do heavy makeup, mostly because my face simply rejects the idea of foundation. It just comes straight off my face. So I only wear concealer. Does it look bad? I don't know, probably, but so I'm basically just gonna do the makeup I do every time I go out, because I don't really wear makeup on the day to day, but whenever I go out, I do basically the same makeup look. But I think for eyeshadow, I'm gonna do like a gold thing, because this is my dress. It is a dream dress. It is the most beautiful dress I've ever owned, maybe. My prom dress was also very pretty, but I absolutely love that dress, and I think gold would look really good with it. Shout out to Smashbox for having a concealer and a foundation that are actually my skin tone. Apparently pale with blue undertones is like really hard to find. I'm gonna use this liquid blush stuff. It's a really random brand that my mom got me, but I like it. I think the color's cute. You can also use it on your lips and stuff. I don't know. Now I'm gonna set what I have so far. I just used the e.l.f. Makeup Mr. Spetting Spray. I really like it. I think it works really well. I used this when I was dancing too, and my makeup never like came off during shows, and I'm a sweaty girl, so I think it works great. Now for my brows, I don't fill them in at all. My natural brows are a lot darker than my natural hair color. You can't really tell on camera, especially because right now my hair's wet, but they are a lot darker. So I don't fill them in at all. I'm just using some brow gel. It is time for the most important step of my eye makeup, black eyeliner in my tight line. This is the makeup palette. I'm gonna be using the top one right there. I'm just gonna put it on my lids and then just blend it out a little bit. Also, I'm just gonna use my finger. Like, don't judge me. I'm looking down while I do this so I don't get as much fallout on my face. I think this looks lovely. Gonna do another round of setting spray. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara. The mascara that I use is Maybelline New York, and I bought this mascara specifically because it has Marvel packaging. I am not ashamed. Okay, I just put the mascara on. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna brush through it with just a dry mascara wand to break up the clumpiness. While that happens, I'm gonna put something on my lips. I'm gonna do this Burt's Bees lip shimmer thing. I have this lip stain, which I'm just gonna put on a little bit and then just rub it together. I'm gonna dab a lot of it off to get more of the color I want. So then on top of it, I'm gonna put something that I got for Christmas that has become my new favorite thing. It's these Burt's Bees Squeezy Tinted Lip Balms. I got them in a 3-pack and I absolutely love them. They are a little weird because they don't have any sort of applicator, and they really should, but they're super moisturizing and I really like them. Okay, so I just went through and used a dry mascara wand on my eyelashes to kind of separate the clumps. And now for the last step, I'm just gonna put on a little highlighter. This is just the e.l.f. highlighter in the palest shade. So that is my finished makeup look. Okay, ignore the mess. This is the final look. I absolutely love this dress. I have little white heels. I am absolutely in love with this dress. I think it's so pretty.